Prynhawn da. Dyma'r benod ddiweddara. Good afternoon. Here is the latest episode. Cyfres 2. Penod 14. Series 2. Episode 14. Llythyren Ch. Letter CH. Okay, Prynhawn. Prynhawn or Prydhawn are the shortened contraction. Pnawn, which is P''N''AWN, Pnawn, all mean afternoon. So that means afternoon, and you put da after it, and you get Prynhawn da. So that's good afternoon. Dyma is here is, dymar is here is there. Benod is the soft mutation of penod, which means episode, which we've been hearing a lot. So, and that comes after or or apostrophe r, which is the definite article, which means the. So it causes a soft mutation of words that are feminine, but it's weak or limited mutations, so you don't do words, double L or RH, which I slipped up with the name of the episode recently. So, ddiweddara. It's got an F on the end, but we silence it in Welsh. There's not many silent letters I can think of. That's one of them. Some people say there's no silent letters in Welsh, but there is. You say tre, which is tref, or town, or whatever. Pentref. Anyways, and some Gaea, winter does it. Half doesn't, summer. So some do it, some don't. Anyway, moving on. Ddiweddaraf comes from diwedd, which means end, ending, conclusion, or close. A few words that derive from it are diweddar, which means late or recent as an adjective. Diweddar. You knocked the F off again there, which means last or adjective. Oh, sorry, duethav. The double D on that one has gone to a TH, which means last or adjective, yeah. Diweddi, which means to end as a verb. A lot of verbs have a U or an I, something at the end. There's like a verb noun base of words, and a lot of verbs show an end, show a particular verby ending. You'll see it anyway. I'm just hinting at things so you can spot them as they come up, and it just makes it easier. The more familiarity, the better. Or diwedd, that means at last or finally. That's like a phrase, that one. Of the end or from the end, because or is from, of, or the apostrophe r again is the. Cyfres, we know is series. Cyfres 2 is series 2. Penod 14. Episode 14. Llythyren Ch. Letter CH. Okay, we're on to the ch words now. We have the word chi, which means you. It's a formal or plural version of you, or someone more senior to you, or that you don't know. So that's where the formality comes in, because it can't be informal with them because you don't know them yet. Okay, right. Edrych means look. Eich means your. Can mean you as well in some sentence structures. It's the possessive pronoun, second person, plural. Your, not for you as in you're just talking to one person, but you as your as in a group. Merch means girl, woman, or daughter. Ychydig means a little or few, kind of small amounts kind of thing. Okay, CH, not in the English alphabet. All the examples are like Loch. So you're going to say Loch Lomond, but when you get towards the border into Scotland, you're going to start saying Loch Lomond, because the regional dialects that are up near the border and Scottish have the ch sound. So there you go. Or they sometimes say Bach, as in J.S. Bach, which is a German surname because German has ch sound too. And Sebastian Bach, the singer was in Skid Row, the LA band, not the Irish one that went on to be Thin Lizzy. Anyway, of course, it's also in the English Wiktionary for English as for Scouse back. So you might say, "Hey, give it back, will you? Hey, give it back. Hey, lad." So you know the sound. The thing is, Liverpool, 8 out of 10 surnames in Liverpool are either Welsh, which most of them, or Scottish, which is the next one, biggest one I think, and Irish. Scottish, Irish, and Welsh all have the sound. So that's what influences a Scouse accent, probably. Moving on. Okay, numbers. I gave you Indig Pedwar. Okay, now yesterday I forgot the feminine Indig Ch. So I'm going to explain that. 13 on its own, the number, is a cardinal number. It's just the number. A 13th is an ordinal number. We haven't done any of them yet. We're looking at the cardinals. There's 2 systems, okay, and there's 2 genders as well. So one of the systems, which is used for time, which is an old one, we used to say 70 in English, which is based on a 20 system, and it's called vigesimal or vigesimal or vigesimal, depending on where you're from. Anyway, it means it comes from the Latin vigenti, which is 20. And a lot of languages that I've seen, Germanic ones and Romance languages, have a similar word for 20 there. So Welsh has some connections with it as well, by the looks of it there. So this vigesimal system. So when I was doing these things on 10 numbers, you do it on 20 as well, and you do it for time. And we won't go into it now, but we have a decimal system as well. So the vigesimal and the decimal systems, and we would say for this number, Indig Pedwar, masculine, Indig Pedair, the feminine cardinal decimal version there. Then we're on to the vigesimal, and there we would have Pedwar ar ddeg, because we've got no 20s to talk about, so we can talk about 15s and we can talk about 10s beyond that as well. So Pedwar ar ddeg, so 4 on 10 masculine. Pedair ar ddeg, which is 4 on 10 again, feminine form of the vigesimal. Anyway, so yeah, I just thought I'd go into that because I don't even know how to pronounce. I didn't even know how to pronounce vigesimal. I've seen it, know what it means. I know the 2 counting systems. I know that there was a connect. You could, in his example with 70, and use the numbers. I've seen them, whatever. But when it isn't until you come to teach these things that you kind of have to start learning to pronounce them. Especially when you know there's people listening who are better at this sort of thing than you as well. So there you go. There's other numbers that I've missed out as well. There's deng milltir, so 10 miles. The deng goes before M words, and when G words nasal mutate to ung. So deng wife, which is 10 times, but as in 10 occasions, not as in 10 multiplication. There's Daetheng as well. So Daetheng mis, if you put that before an M, it changes. Or Daetheng mish down south as well. So there's a mish sound of month as well. Daetheng wife, again, we use it for that. But this time, it hasn't nasally mutated. It's done a soft mutation on that one. We'll go into these over again. So I just see you tomorrow then.